Right, this is our postie bike build
Synchronised.
with myself and Jacko. Now what we've done is we've taken the old pin out from the crank and we've got the new pin, brand new conrod and bearing, pressed in the new pin. First of all we heated up the crank and we froze the pin and it just straight in. Now what our plan is now is that I've made up this jig and that'll go in there, and what we've got to do is align the two shafts, that shaft and this shaft, on the same thing. So what we do is we tighten up these concentric what do we call them, Jack?
Well, that's our mechanism,
Blocks.
mate. Blocks.
Blocks, but they're rounded blocks. So we're gonna tighten up a couple. And then we get the next one aligned slightly. And that should keep it in place as we press down the other side of the crank. That's our plans so far.
Beautiful. That's it. Very good, sir.
Now we've set it up in the stand, lined up the side of the
Both sides.
cranks,
Yep.
and now we've just got to somehow press in the other side of the crank.
That's where I come in. I'm very good at that. Try that, mate. Yep.
I think we'll go there, Jack.
All right. Sounds good.
Now we can't go too far because that's got to
We'll see that down there. Hang on a sec, mate.
be 13 thou to the crank bearing. So we've still got a fair way to go. We'll just keep going.
See it in the pin. Oh. Went down a little bit then. Still got a little bit to go in that couple of mil.
Couple of mil. It's got to be 0.13 thou, Jack.
Yeah, no, I understand that. I'm just saying this to you.
Right.
Looking good now.
We'll see.
Yep.
Just got that little bit of slack in there. So the gap between the conrod and the cranks, 004 up to 019 thou. So I've set it at 7, and this is straight off the press, and it's pretty close. It's nice and snug. So, Jack, I reckon we jagged it.
Oh, mate.
What do you reckon?
Good people just bloody having a shot, mate.
You reckon it's bloody
Gonna work.
jagged it or what?
Absolutely.
Alright.
Absolutely.
So now you just take it all apart. Now we've installed the crank bearings and it looks pretty good. Nice and free.
Beautiful job.
Yeah. Not too bad. Not too foul.
Nope. Very
Not too
good.
foul. Nice and smooth.
Absolutely.